what to going to a protest, following a fashion for having a beard, and the decision of going to a party have in common? At first glance, these are totally different situations. However, all these situations have a similar structure. Let's have a closer look. Think about any fashion. It doesn't have to be a fashion for growing a beard. People follow the fashion when they see enough other people who wear or do something. Some of us are very sensitive to new trends. It's enough if one of our friends has a trendy new beard, and we'll stop buying razors. Other ones need to wait until almost everybody follows the new trend. Try to imagine it in the language of threshold. A person who is more eager to follow new trends would have a lower threshold, just like the people more willing to protest. What about higher thresholds? An example would be the ones who would only wear a new shape of glasses when they see a lot of other people who already wear them. And some would never follow the crowd. And that can be described by extremely high thresholds. Let's think about another situation, a party. Some of us will go to a party even if none of our close friends are going. Another one will think, okay, I can go if I have at least one familiar person to talk to. And of course, there are people who have a very high party threshold and will go only to those parties where they know everybody will go there. Those examples show that models can also be applicable to a wide array of settings, which we call universality of models. A subject of a model is not so important as a core mechanism. If processes that may look different at first glance in fact work in a similar manner, we can apply the same model even across different settings. If so, then we can apply our observations related to our protest example to other situations with similar basic structure. For example, in case of demonstrations, we have to pay attention to initiators and the size of early goers group. The same goes for fashion. The role of trendsetters is similarly extremely important.